with Gracie and friends.
The games help promote math talk a lot. Like girls and boys that they're not verbal, like they're counting out loud, and like sometimes in a different setting, you know, they would be really shy. But I think when they play those games, they're not shy. They get more excited. I think the non-digital games help too. With the promoting math talk, the non-digital, like more for me to promote the math talk. It helps, like, you know, prompt me more. All right, let's see. How many people do I have here? Who can tell me? So when we're playing the bingo game, they hold up a number. So I want them to tell me what number do they see. And then if they're counting out the groups that they have on their board, their score sheet, you know, have them count out. How do you know that's 2? So they have to count it. Tell me it says 1, 2. So then that matches the numeral to the group. I do math talk during morning meeting a lot with calendar. We do calendar. We do the days of the week, so how many days, and we have a song that we sing. We clap and count out the days that have passed in the month.
There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week.
It's important for them to play, to have that freedom to speak, to say those words that they're not aware of, like 2 blocks, 3 blocks, long, short. You have too many, I have a little. And this is all they get it because they've had that freedom to just do what they want in each area.
In House Corner, they do a lot of math talk. They'll put the babies, set them up, and then the food, and they'll sort them out. Everyone gets one of this, or the little cups and plates, and they'll like set that up. Because you don't really think it's math talk, but everybody has to have one plate, you know, a cup, fork, spoon. We have the book with the beans, and then when we count out the beans all together, we group them in individual. And like everyone counts, how many do we have out? So how many does each one have? 2. So we have to make 4 piles of 2. So we're counting out until we get 4 piles. Just different things like that, you know, little games that we play.
I like to pretend that I don't know. That's the thing. That's how I get them to talk sometimes. I'm like, I forgot. Like, I forgot what number comes after this. They love it because they really think I forgot. And they're like, it's 6 or 7 or you're silly.
Yesterday was 26. What comes after 6? 7. So
Every time I hear something, oh, so you have, I could be across the room. If I hear it, I'll come running and I'll sit on the floor with them. Wow, so tell me more about that. So what, how many do you have? And then they keep talking.
how many do you think are inside the bag?
25.
25.
I'm on the floor with them. I'm in the kitchen area. The last time I put on a whole suit, I was a cashier. So I was teaching them, oh, we're still playing. We're pretending I'm the cashier. But I was counting the numbers, and they were counting it back. And sometimes they teach me. So and I just kind of like intercede just a little bit, and then slowly, as time goes on, I pull back. The more I see that they understand it, and I know they understand it, I try to step back and not so much put in my info. And by the time they leave, they got it. I'm so proud of you. Look at how hard you worked. Wow, you did it all by yourself.
5. Good job, Archelius. 5. Ready?
I want them to know that they're working hard, that I see what they're doing. So by just any little positive words, they love it. And it makes them want to do it even more.